In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your upstream oxygen sensor. If you look at the pipe, this will apply to both left and right side, but if you look at the exhaust pipe and follow it up, you'll see it right up there, tucked up next to the engine. Let's get the O2 sensor socket in here, slide it up onto the sensor, try to find a spot where it wants to sit, perfect, just like that. And I'm going to take my ratchet and put it on the socket. Let's try and break this free. Okay, looks like this one broke free for us. Thankfully, it's not rusted, as you can see, so easily removable. Twist it until it comes out. There it is, and now let's unplug it. Reach up in there. There's a tab on the back side of it, right here towards the firewall. I'm gonna get a pocket screwdriver up in here. Just try to pry this connector, the tab for the connector in. There we go. There it is. Now grab your new O2 sensor, and I like to thread it in first because otherwise the wire is gonna twist, wrap around the sensor, and well, that's not great. So go ahead and start it. Go ahead and bottom it out. Now let's grab our socket and tighten it up. Put your oxygen sensor socket on the sensor and snug it up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Basically, you're looking to crush that gasket. That's tight up against the exhaust pipe. That's what's going to seal up. So now that that's tight, let's go ahead and plug it in. Grab the wire, and if you follow the pipe up, you'll see where the connector is. Slide it in, and listen for a click. There we go. That's connected. Make sure the wire isn't touching the exhaust, and there you have it. Again, the process applies to the other side if you need to replace the other one as well.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.